Introduction. Hello, and welcome back to Proactive Synergy Inc. Today, we are diving into practical wisdom inspired by the timeless classic, Meditations, by Marcus Aurelius. If you're looking for actionable steps to apply Stoic philosophy in your daily life, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Segment 1, Understanding Stoicism. To kick things off, let's briefly touch upon Stoicism. It's a philosophy that emphasizes virtue, rationality, and acceptance of the things we can't control. If you're new to Stoicism, consider checking out some introductory texts to get a solid foundation. Segment 2, Daily Reflection. One powerful practice from Meditations is daily reflection. Marcus Aurelius kept a personal journal for self-reflection, and you can too. Take a few minutes each day to reflect on your actions, reactions, and thoughts. It's a great way to identify areas for improvement. Segment 3, Mindful Breathing. Next up, let's talk about mindful breathing. In the midst of life's challenges, take a moment to focus on your breath. Inhale, exhale. This simple practice can help you regain composure and stay present. Segment 4, Acceptance of the Uncontrollable. Acceptance is a key Stoic principle. Ask yourself when facing challenges, can I control this situation? If not, practice acceptance and shift your focus to how you respond. Segment 5, Value virtue over pleasure. True happiness, according to Stoicism, comes from virtuous living rather than immediate pleasures. Prioritize actions aligned with your values over fleeting gratification. Segment 6, The Power of Choice. Remember, you have the power to choose your reactions. Before reacting impulsively, pause. Choose a response that aligns with your values and long-term goals. Segment 7, Memento Mori. Now, let's talk about Memento Mori, contemplating your mortality. Regularly remind yourself of the impermanence of life. Use it as motivation to live with purpose. Segment 8, Empathy and Understanding. Speaker, voiceover, practice empathy and understanding in your interactions. Seek to understand others' perspectives and motivations, especially in times of conflict. Segment 9, Focus on Character. Speaker, voiceover, developing a strong character is crucial. Set character-building goals and act in ways that align with your values, even when faced with challenges. Segment 10, Moderation in All Things. Speaker, voiceover, Stoicism advocates for moderation. Evaluate areas of your life where balance is needed. Strive for moderation in work, leisure, and relationships. Segment 11, Gratitude Practice. Expressing gratitude is a powerful practice. Regularly list things you're grateful for. It fosters a positive mindset and helps maintain perspective. Segment 12, Continuous Learning. Lastly, embrace continuous learning. Set aside time for intellectual growth. Read widely, seek new experiences, and challenge yourself regularly. Conclusion. And there you have it, practical steps inspired by Meditations to infuse Stoic philosophy into your daily life. Remember, personal growth is a journey, so be patient with yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for joining us on Proactive Synergy Inc., and we'll see you in the next one.